I just wanted to do an update on this little Buck Rogers robot I built, a little tracked robot. Uh, this was the original head, but I didn't like this line going through it, and so I decided to fix that. The head now has an insert here, this yellow and black thing, but we'll get rid of that. And also, I didn't like the way I had the whole bottom done, so I built a battery drawer for it. It's a print in place type thing. This whole plate here gets printed at once. Works on the same hinging mechanism as the tracks have. Print in place. You print it like this on the bed. When it comes off, it hinges like this. And the other thing I did was inside. I won't take it apart and show you, but I just put a compartment in there to capture the battery more positively, so everything is much neater now. But I wanted to make those improvements because I just wasn't happy with the original way it was. Everything, I'm probably going to build another tracked robot, and I was wondering if anybody has any suggestions for what to build next. Something with tracks. I really like making these. I want to do one or two more. So if you've got any suggestions for a tracked robot of some type that you like, let me know and I might build it or I might not. Well, thanks for watching.